Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the engine oil on your Toyota Tundra. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies. You'll need a new oil filter, the correct type and amount of engine oil, a drain pan, a wrench for the drain plug, and an oil filter wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged, and let the engine cool down for about 30 minutes to prevent burns. Now let's get rid of that old oil. Slide your drain pan under the engine, directly beneath the oil pan's drain plug. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is out of your engine. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn more with the wrench. Finally, reinstall the drain plug, making sure it's tight, but avoid over-tightening. Almost done. Now locate your engine's oil filler cap, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Carefully pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 7 to 8 quarts for a Tundra depending on the engine. Replace the cap, start the engine, and let it run for a few minutes. Then, turn it off, wait a moment, and check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Also, check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.